Hello everyone, I'm Faisal Haroon with your weekly performance update for the week ending May 8th, 2026. This past week, SPY posted a gain of 2.35%. Let's see how our strategies performed. First, the disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investments carry risk of loss. Performance numbers may be hypothetical or based on historical data. You must agree to the terms of service at the link shown on the screen. If you continue to watch, it will be assumed that you do. Let's start with ETF Blend 120. The strategy saw a pullback of 0.94% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 3.21%. Over 1 year, the strategy has gained 4.65%, and over 10 years, it has delivered 46.02% compared to the benchmark's 15.48%. Moving on to ETF Blend 10115. The strategy posted a gain of 0.37% for the week. Year to date, the strategy stands at 13.66%, outperforming SPY's 8.46%. Over 1 year, the strategy has returned 37.71%, ahead of the benchmark's 32.96%. Looking at the 10-year horizon, the strategy has delivered 26.69% versus 15.48% for SPY. Now let's look at ETF Blend 10225. The strategy declined 2.15% this week. Year to date, the strategy is down 2.99%. Over 1 year, the strategy is down 0.37%. However, the 10-year performance tells a different story, with the strategy up 57.18% compared to SPY's 15.48%. Turning to ETF Blend 10320, our free strategy. The strategy gained 0.23% for the week. Year to date, the strategy is up 12.28%, well ahead of SPY's 8.46%. Over 1 year, the strategy has returned 34.11%, outperforming the benchmark's 32.96%. The 10-year return stands at 23.41% versus 15.48% for SPY. This remains an excellent choice for subscribers looking for consistent performance. Shifting over to ETF Blend 235. The strategy added 0.52% this week. Year to date, the strategy has gained 8.26%. Over 1 year, the strategy is up 22.42%. The 10-year performance shows the strategy up 39.54% compared to the benchmark's 15.48%. This strategy continues to demonstrate strength over longer time frames. Now let's turn to our aggressive strategies. Keep in mind that these strategies are meant to be traded alongside other uncorrelated strategies. First up is ETF Blend 340. The strategy declined 1.54% this week. Year to date, the strategy is down 7.48%. Over 1 year, the strategy has gained 2.35%. The 10-year performance remains impressive at 76.30% versus SPY's 15.48%. Now let's look at ETF Blend 30120. The strategy saw a decline of 1.90% this week. Year to date, the strategy is down 5.70%. Over 1 year, the strategy has returned 7.86%. Looking at 10 years, the strategy has delivered an outstanding 93.51%. compared to the benchmark's 15.48%. Finally, ETF Blend 30225, the strategy declined 3.59% this week. Year to date, the strategy is up 4.89%. Over 1 year, the strategy has gained 37.16%, outperforming SPY's 32.96%. The 10-year return is 79.54% versus 15.48% for the benchmark. Despite this week's pullback, the strategy continues to excel over longer periods. Overall, this was a mixed week for our strategies. What should always be kept in mind is that our strategies are designed for long-term outperformance while keeping risk in check. Short-term volatility and underperformance is a natural part of investing. If you find these updates valuable, please share them with friends and family at Zehnlabs.com. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't let weekly movements distract you from the bigger picture. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week.